Many of our youth, you see them these days, they sit behind the computer screen, or they have their smartphones in their hands, and they're chatting, they're typing, they're having conversations with other people. If this conversation is not a productive conversation, a conversation which does not remind you of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, this will harden your heart. And my dear youth, especially if you're chatting with the opposite gender, this is one of the greatest sources of hardening the heart. After that conversation, you pick up the Quran, you read it. You don't interact with it, and you wonder why. What's going on? It's the month of Ramadan, I'm reading the Quran, I can't interact with the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ask yourself, what were you doing these days? Whom are you chatting with? What are you chatting? What are you discussing?